The world of work is on the verge of a transformation more profound than any before, ushered in by Agentic AI. These are not just tools, but autonomous digital workers capable of understanding complex goals and executing them with minimal supervision. The shift from AI as an assistant to AI as an independent participant is already underway. The question is no longer if AI will change our jobs, but how soon and how deeply. Anxiety is rising, especially among those just starting their careers, as corporations eye productivity gains while workers fear displacement. This essay will separate hype from reality, exploring what agentic AI is, how it differs from past AI, and its real impact on hiring and job roles. The timeline is accelerating. By 2027, agentic systems are expected to become core to business operations. The choices we make now will determine if this revolution leads to shared prosperity or deepens inequality. Agentic AI is a leap beyond traditional automation. It doesn't just perform tasks, it achieves goals. Unlike old AI, which executes narrow instructions, Agentic AI plans, adapts, and completes entire workflows with minimal human input. Imagine hiring a carpenter to build a bookshelf. You describe the outcome, and they handle the details. Agentic AI works the same way. It can organize a marketing campaign, draft emails, analyze data, and coordinate across systems, autonomously. This marks the rise of systems of execution, where AI actively uses business data to get things done, not just store or display it. The agentic shift means AI can now take over entire workflows, not just single tasks, especially at the entry level. An agent can generate daily reports, distribute them, and flag anomalies, all without human oversight. This evolution is powerful, and for many, unsettling. We are entering an era where digital workers can reason, plan, and execute with unprecedented independence. The most immediate impact of agentic AI isn't mass layoffs, it's a hiring freeze, especially for entry-level white-collar jobs. Companies are slowing recruitment, letting AI agents absorb workloads once handled by junior staff. This bottom-up constriction is pushing entry-level hiring to lows not seen since the 2008 financial crisis. Why hire a graduate for routine tasks when AI can do it faster and cheaper? The result, roles themselves are disappearing, not just the people in them. A Stanford study found a 16% decline in early career employment in AI-exposed sectors since 2022. Tech has been hit hard. Entry-level software engineering jobs for 22-25-year-olds have dropped by nearly 20%, with postings down 53%. Entry-level jobs are the training ground for future leaders. Automating them risks a severe talent pipeline problem. This is not a temporary downturn, but a structural change redefining career paths for a generation. Agentic AI is already reshaping major industries. In logistics, C.H. Robinson uses AI agents to automate nearly half of carrier bookings, boosting volume by 29% while cutting headcount by 30% since 2019. Consulting giant McKinsey now counts 25,000 AI agents as part of its workforce, fundamentally changing how consulting work is done. These agents handle data analysis, research, and more, working alongside humans as integral team members. In telecom, Calix deployed AI agents across 40 workflows, framing them as digital teammates to ease fears, though the long-term impact on jobs is unclear. Walmart uses AI to streamline customer experience, letting shoppers interact and purchase via conversational interfaces. Real estate is also transforming. Morgan Stanley estimates 2.2 million U.S. jobs in the sector are at high risk of automation. Property management firms now automate tenant communications and maintenance, cutting labor hours by 30% and headcount by 15%. These reductions hit entry-level roles hardest, reinforcing the trend of AI's impact at the bottom of the ladder. The agentic workforce is no longer theoretical. It's here, and it's changing business from the ground up. The most troubling effect of agentic AI is the erosion of entry-level jobs, the first rung on the career ladder. These roles taught young workers the basics of their industries. Now they're the first to be automated. Anthropic's CEO predicts up to half of all entry-level white-collar jobs could vanish within 5 years. Agentic AI excels at tasks that once defined junior roles, moving data, formatting, and following rules. As AI becomes cheaper and more reliable, the economic case for hiring humans for these jobs disappears. Universities are struggling to adapt. 41% of leaders are highly concerned about their graduates' job prospects, but only 10% feel students are prepared for an AI-driven workplace. The traditional education-to-job pipeline is breaking down. Without entry-level opportunities, we risk a lost generation locked out of professional careers, fueling inequality and unrest. The challenge isn't just job loss, it's the collapse of the system that develops future leaders. The threat of job loss is now backed by hard data and growing anxiety. In 2025, AI was cited in over 55,000 US layoffs, but the real impact is broader and ongoing. Goldman Sachs estimates AI is reducing US employment by 16,000 jobs every month. IBM and Salesforce have cut thousands of roles, replacing them with AI-driven processes. Worker anxiety is surging. A Mercer poll found 40% of employees fear AI will replace their job, up from 28% in 2024. Confidence in finding new work has collapsed, from 70% in 2022 to just 28% in 2026. The skills themselves are losing value as AI takes over routine work. This climate of fear stifles innovation and loyalty, leaving the workforce insecure and apprehensive. The numbers tell a story of not just displacement, but deep uncertainty about the future of work. Despite the hype, agentic AI in 2026 is far from flawless. Most systems are still in a pre-agentic phase, autonomous in theory, but limited in practice. The Remote Labor Index found AI agents could only complete 2.5% of real-world freelance projects to a professional standard. They excel at simple, short tasks, but struggle with complex, multi-step projects. For anything requiring nuanced judgment or adaptation, agents often fail, producing incomplete work or getting stuck. Gartner predicts over 40% of agentic corporate initiatives will be abandoned by 2027 due to underperformance and high costs. Agent washing, overstating AI's capabilities, is rampant. The road to a fully agentic workforce will be marked by setbacks, failed projects, and a necessary recalibration of expectations. As agentic AI automates routine tasks, uniquely human skills become more valuable than ever. Critical thinking, complex problem-solving, creativity, and adaptability will define the most sought-after employees. AI struggles with ambiguity and novel challenges. Humans who can navigate these will be indispensable. Sound judgment is crucial. Humans must assess AI output, ensure ethical decisions, and align actions with strategy. The future is a human-in-the-loop model. AI executes, but humans verify and guide. Education must shift from rote learning to fostering curiosity, analysis, and collaboration. The ability to learn how to learn will be the ultimate skill, as adaptation becomes constant. The jobs of tomorrow will be less about what you know, and more about how you think. Agentic AI is already reshaping US and UK labor markets, squeezing entry-level opportunities and fueling anxiety. The challenge isn't to stop this wave, but to navigate it wisely and harness its benefits. Workers and students must embrace continuous learning and focus on skills AI can't replicate: critical thinking, creativity, and judgment. Seek projects that require collaboration and strategic oversight, not just routine execution. Companies must invest in reskilling, transforming employees into reviewers and strategists who can manage AI agents. Human-in-the-loop models reduce risk and combine the best of human and machine intelligence. Forward-thinking firms will partner with educators to reshape curricula for the new world of work. Governments should support workforce transitions and lifelong learning. By focusing on our uniquely human strengths, we can ensure the rise of agents elevates human potential, not replaces it.